mother ugly
Oh
herself. She cut up your face so you look like her.
Don't talk about my mother!
Don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. He's trying to
Oh my god. He pump faked! Nah, they're going crazy. He really pump faked me. In that... Alright guys, we're back with part 7. We're back with part 7 of God of War. Where did we leave off last? We talked to the World Serpent. His breath kind of stink. There was a lot of confusion going on there because now we have a head strapped to our waistband from some guy that knows everything but not everything. It's kind of confusing. Bro said he knew everything, but when we asked him a question, he didn't know the answer. So we're just gonna get right back into it. I don't have any sound. Alrighty then. We need to go that way. Sucks I can't jump off that while it's going down. But... Come on, Junior. What you waiting on?
So when we get to the boat, we can either look for that special chisel now, or go exploring for a little while. I'm happy with whatever you want to do.
Enough. No stories. Not while on foot. Our focus is the road.
Completely understand.
Thank you.
I'll finish later, lad.
They're giving me health. I'm gonna have to fight something.
You were taken from this realm too.
You who walks among the living, my beloved Gulvig calls to me. She yearns for peace.
Who are you?
Yet her remains lie in pieces. I beg of you, make my Gulvig whole again.
You want us to collect her bones? Gross.
Gulvigs say their magic.
Really? How?
Oh, I didn't mean to
I
skip the
can
line.
smell your grief, child. Rest assured, her magic is strong enough to create bridges between life and death. If only for a short while.
Boy, we are leaving.
They've taken 3 of Sweet Gulvig's bones and spread them across the lake. Bring me her
What is
bones.
Buddy on?
Good. The special chisel is ahead, past this gate.
Here we go!
Of course, right? Of course. Oh, you're bugging. Oh my god, who are you? Ah, you're dead. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, no, you thought, buddy. Come on. Oh, this isn't gonna kill him, is it? Oh, it might. Oh, let's go. Yeah, let's get it. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Die already. Now I gotta fight your little friend. Oh, okay. No. Fly on the wall. What the heck? Okay. Where the hell is he? Come on, just die already, dude.
Can't beat us.
Thank you. Dude, shut up, man.
Maybe we should look for those bones.
No, screw those
Hear
bones.
him? We could talk to Mom again.
We can talk
If we
to
keep
Mom
an eye
again.
out
Do
while
if
we...
you wish, boy.
Get back
I
in the
will
boat.
not be distracted by this fool's errand.
Get back in the boat, Junior. What are you talking about? Okay. The heck is that?
Enemies.
Just too much.
A dangerous beast. We will take him down together.
I'm not ready.
He doesn't look pretty. He doesn't look that dangerous. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Oh my god! Okay. All right. Oh wait. Haymakers. Whoa! Whoa! You're bugging, buddy. Oh, what the heck? Where did he get those? Whoa! 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 You're bugging. You're bugging. Where did you come from? Hold on. Let me pick this up first. Oh my god. That dude, that. Alright, come on. Yep. No. Oh. Oh. Rip the arm off. Does the arm come off? Okay, okay. Oh, whoa. Alright, hold on. Let me get this back. Okay, let me get this back. Throw that. Oh my god. Dude, that move just absolutely smacks them to the ground. Break the arm off. Does the arm come off though?
I think you got him.
That was kind of brutal. I'm not
We
gonna lie.
seek a chisel.
The tickled one, yes.
That was
Very,
kind of
very
brutal.
magically sealed, I'm afraid.
Of course. Give me those. For now.
There he
Dang.
is.
Bro's
Find the tip of that
huge.
chisel.
I beg your pardon?
That's the magic we need.
The tip of the chisel.
Hostiles up ahead. Do we fight them? And I'll
We ain't
find
no-
light crystal.
We ain't no bitch, dog.
Ready, father!
Down. Whoa! I gotta fight Geo, dude? I do have to fight Geo, dude. Sadly. That dude. Come on.
Ready and wait.
Come on, you need to die first. You need to die first before I take on this guy. Alright. Alright. Break his arm. Break his arm off. Break his arm off. Bro, you're getting mad close, brother. Oh wait, hold on, hold on. That didn't work. Okay. Okay, that didn't work either.
I'm not ready. I'm ready.
Come on, come on. You're not gonna be able to fight Geodude, brother. Okay. Bro just threw up.
Oh, can't leave that
separate attack. Okay. Bro threw up again.
Nightmare! What awful thing!
Whoa! Come on, come on. Let's go. Goodbye, Geodude. Rip his heart out. Okay.
Well done.
Oh my god. Just almost a volleyball strike, bro. Get out of the sky, brother. Hold on. There's more guys over here. Can I volleyball? Ooh! Give me that. Get. Dude, shoot him. Alright. Yeah. And then he moseyed away somehow. The heck? Get off my son. Bro's huge. Okay. Okay. What's down there?
How are we getting down there?
We're gonna have to break the ice.
I have a plan.
You do?
Do not act so surprised.
Oh, no offense, brother, but I don't even think Thor with Mjolnir in hand could get through that much ice.
Then Thor is a fool.
This should be entertaining.
Boy,
Ready.
Of course, right? I can never just mind my own business. Something always has to come out of woodwork to try to bot me, bro. No. Okay, he did actually get. Oh, I forgot that shocks everybody. I like that. W son. All right, there we go. Okay, how did he hit me? I don't know how he hit me. Did you come back to life? Or were you just never dead? Where did you come from? Bro was at full health. Oh my god! Bro's on a mission. Okay. Come on. Let's have a talk. This dude's getting residual damage. Get out of the way, brother. Okay. Let's go. Let's go ahead and oh my god! Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's hella shit fighting me right now, bro. There's gotta be a way I can get out of this, right? I don't think I'm supposed to fight all these niggas. I'm not gonna lie. There's no way I'm supposed to be fighting all these niggas at the same time, bro. Oh, yeah, them haymakers landed right now.
Almost there.
I need to kill that dude for some help. Like, oh, this dude's just tired? Okay, cool, thank you. Thank you. Bro's just tired. Alright. Imagine, okay, I think what I can do is, if I just keep making the smash this. Look at you. Look, you got your brother clapped. Ooh. You're not playing this. Woo! Oh, my son actually killed him.
Our enemies are strong.
Okay. I actually did have to fight all those dudes. Dog. They was not playing. I had to fight like 3 gorillas. Okay, I think this is where we get the magic. Magic of chisel. Talk to Sindri.
Wow, that was something, that fight. Here, catch. Well, that was a waste of a perfectly good
How
hour.
were you not seen? There is nowhere here to hide.
Oh, that. It's a little trick my people can pull. A special way of not being seen.
You can be invisible?
More like I can step into the realm between realms. And your mind doesn't understand what it's seeing, so it sees nothing at all. That's how we avoid ever having to actually use the weapons we craft.
Okay.
It doesn't seem to work on dragons, though.
Of course
My
not.
brother wanted to know if you're getting enough to eat. I guess I could tell him you are.
Brock was asking about me? Was there meat on his breath?
Hey, ain't no reason to get aggressive, Kratos.
You let him touch this again.
Weight room.
Come on, then.
So that's how Brock was in the temple right after the water drop. He stepped between realms.
Okay, now, shush. I need complete silence for this. There you go.
Ain't no way he said he needed complete silence to just tap it like that.
What else was there?
Nothing.
So, this is plan of yours.
Can you guess it?
Knowing you, it doesn't involve standing around here.
Correct.
But how do we move forward? Boy, Farmer really liked jewelry, didn't he? Even braided his beard with it.
I happen to think he looks dashing. You know, for a snow-covered
Oh,
corpse.
wait. Oh, okay. You're joking, right? You're joking, right? You're fucking with me. Fucking side quest. Am I missing something? Let me.
Careful! My shop's right here!
Thank you. Finally. Took me way longer than it should have.
We heading into that building?
Yes.
You think there's something inside that'll help us break the ice and get to the chisel tip?
No.
The chisel tip.
I'll keep thinking. Here we go!
Of course, right? Hold on. Yeah, that definitely bopped me. Okay. Keep the armor off, bro.
It's gonna be alright! Right flank!
Alright, cool.
Almost ready. Fiosa!
Alright, come on. Thank you.
I did okay. Yeah.
Adequate.
Oh.
Ooh, we got most of it.
Now it's hanging on by a thread.
Well, a stealthy plan it is not.
Now we must free the other strap.
You do?
Alright, give me that. I'm stupid. Alright. Hop on my back, Junior.
Why are we going up when what we need is all the way down there?
Think.
Well, the chisel tip is under thick layers of ice, so melting it won't work.
Correct.
And there weren't any shattered crystals nearby for me to shoot, so that's not an option.
Correct.
I wasn't
Just
even.
smashing the ice. We need something ridiculously heavy to. Oh, I get it now.
Good.
We are inside of the beast now. That's a drop. Okay.
How are we going to turn the hammer so it lands near the chisel tube?
Not possible. We cut it free, write it down, and figure out what comes next after.
So your plan involves a whole bunch of luck then.
You are welcome to suggest a different one.
Yeah, man. I mean, if you got any good ideas, man, go ahead. Let me know, dog.
What now?
Hold tight.
This plan seems ill-advised.
Yeah.
Jump!
Nice.
That didn't work. It only fell a little ways.
We got to get this out of the way now. Okay. It's not giving me health, so we're definitely gonna have to fight something in here. Some waist armor. Nice, nice. I had to be sure. I had to be sure.
Oh no! The floor's collapsed. There's a sand bowl, but how do we get to it?
We cannot.
We're getting health, guys. We're getting health, guys. We're gonna have to fight something in here.
What
Read
does
it.
it say?
When time itself is disarrayed, the forward path is retrograde. Retrograde? It's backwards?
Those symbols. The seasons?
Yeah, but the order's all
Oh, I thought I heard something.
Shouldn't it be winter, spring, summer, autumn?
Why start with winter?
It's from a song Mother used to sing.
Do it!
House! Dubar! Bar! Vetcher!
It was backwards. Okay.
Atreus, that word.
Thola. It means endure.
Try it.
Thola.
Well done, lad.
Write it
Okay.
again.
Thola. We're rising! The energy's
Okay.
lifting the platform!
Keep writing.
Are we moving for real?
Thola. Thola.
Head. How is this possible?
My guess? Temporal magic. Dangerous stuff the High Vanir gods used to play around with. The ability to
I'm gonna have
freeze
to fight
time.
something in here for sure,
Would
right?
be a favorite of Njord himself, in fact.
Used to.
It would only make
Why did they
sense.
stop?
Well, turns out stopping time keeps the sun and moon from streaking across the sky. Unfortunately, it does not stop the wolves that chase them, always looking to sink their teeth in. After that, they decided it was best to leave time alone.
Yeah, I knew it. I knew
I
it.
can't get to the bowl!
I knew it. You guys can't fool me. You're dead. And smash, and smash. Ooh.
The energy's lifting us! It's halfway empty!
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay. I'll take that. No, you got. Let's go. Oh, wait. Whoa. You got our platform cracking and shit?
It's clear!
Back to writing, before the floor collapses.
Oh, I guess we have to fight them in waves then. Now we gotta fight these guys again. What are you doing, bro? We really fighting on a microwave plate right now. Like, bro, get off. A real nigga trying to warm up his mac and cheese. Niggas that hopped on the microwave plate for no reason. But no, bro. Stop that. Now you're frozen. Now you're frozen. Can't even move for real. Look at you. Oh, nope. Stop your attack. You're about to be frozen in place.
Halfway empty.
This is actually kind of cheese.
We're good.
Dad, do they drop any artifacts? They drop some health. How close are we to the top? Bro, we're not even close. I can't even see the top. Okay.
What's your fight?
What is that? What are you doing? Come on, bro. Just get off the platform, brother. Just knocked him straight off the platform. Yeah, what are you doing? Oh my god. Look, the energy's lifting us! Bro, we can't go anywhere if we got all these monsters fighting us. Oh, good luck. Oh my god. There's hella shit on here, man. Oh god. What are you doing, bro?
Oh no! The energy lifting us is almost out for nothing. Look, we're almost to the top.
Alright. Alright, come on. I still can't see. Is this the top? This can't be the top. You know what? Am I gonna have to fight these niggas? The heck?
Father, the boat dropped away. We're collapsing.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
Jump!
Oh, okay, there we go. I jumped just in time. I jumped just in time before I died. I was like, yo, what is going on?
You did well.
Thanks.
Jesus.
The boy.
Just having a little fun, you big grump.
Oh, that nigga's still invisible. I totally forgot. Bro really dodging smoke right now.
Well,
He's
there it
really
is.
been dodging smoke
How we
this
gonna
whole
get
time.
free?
A push. Trust me.
Let's go.
Ready. Dig in and push with everything.
Yes, sir.
Come on. Alright.
How do we get down?
We jump.
Really?
Oh,
Come.
we just getting on top.
Do not panic.
Why would I panic?
I have you.
You're cracked, you know that?
Oh, it was him talking the whole time. Okay.
Good. We should keep moving.
I thought it was that invisible nigga. ahead and get up out of here now.
The chisel tip.
Give the man credit. He has a talent for destroying things.
Get out the way,
Remember
nigga.
that head.
Never leaves my mind.
Okay. There's gotta be a way to get down there, right? Bro, hold on. There's gotta be a way to get down there, right? Am I bugging? Okay, whatever. We're just gonna keep moving forward, I guess.
Where are they? Fucking hate Big God. Why do we go there here? Because that hammer didn't fall on its own.
Oh, here we go.
I'll get the kid, right?
Whoa.
Father.
Not now.
They're looking for me. They're looking for the kid. They're looking for everybody, dog. Just go ahead and get that. Hey, guys. Oh my god, okay. What the heck? Bro, you should just be able to jump to that,
Those are
Kratos.
the guys we saw with Baldur. His nephews?
Aye. Magni and Modi. The sons of Thor.
Mother always said the Aesir were the worst of gods, and Thor was the worst of the Aesir. Guess he's a terrible father, too.
They are no longer children. They have no excuse.
Will
Go ahead
Sindri
and
be
grab
okay?
that.
We'll never even see him.
Anyways. Let's go. Alright, we're back. I'm back and I'm better.
Hurry, brother. We may get a piece of the chisel and be gone before they even notice.
Doubt it.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Boy.
Surrender. The All-Father demands it.
No.
Very well then.
Good.
This fight is mine, boy. Go.
And where do you think you're going? Oh no, brother. The little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Smallville doesn't fall far.
Don't tell
So I
me.
gotta fight both of these niggas, bro.
Fuck off! I'll take your bitch.
Bro's bopping my son.
I can't remember the last time we faced an actual challenge.
An old man in this still
Okay.
You mean to oppose the light of that?
got some far.
What is he doing, bro? way I can.
Stay behind me, boy. Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Oh, no. Come here, Harry Reed. You done holding Daddy's hand.
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Oh, these niggas. These niggas is playing in the dark.
Can't believe you've lasted this long. Those skinny little arms barely.
I said shut up!
Calm yourself, boy.
Looks
Yo.
like they need us, my lesson.
And how big
Okay, I guess. Let me go ahead and do that. Go and grab that. Okay. We gotta fight brothers that are out to. We gotta fight brothers that have been out to get us since we started this journey. Okay.
Shut it out. Focus.
I'll take this sword.
Yeah. Alright. Had enough of you. I had enough of your big ass. Your big ass is done.
I'll take the run.
Okay, let me grab this actually. Bro, they're bopping. Oh, whoa.
The boy needs to pick me up.
I'll take the land.
Kratos, the
Oh
boy.
my god.
Your mother ugly
God.
herself. She cut up your face so you look like her.
Don't talk about my mother!
Don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. Trying to
Oh my god. He pump faked. Nah, they're going crazy. He really pump faked me. In that. Nah. The pump fake is crazy.
The sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head.
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
Nah, the pump fake is crazy.
This is my favorite.
Okay. Bro, the battle in this game is crazy.
Gonna drag your carcass to us. Heads up, assholes.
Okay.
Stop it!
Boy. Stay focused.
Take the little freak.
Oh, that's okay.
Treya.
He called him a bastard. Oh, he different. Oh, whoa. Get off me, bro. Fuck it. Alright. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I like doing the most. They literally have no health.
Oh, that must have been some war to lay with the last of him.
I'll kill you!
Trial! Control yourself!
No! How did you... You have no idea. You son of a bitch!
Get that gun! I'll rip your head off!
Bro, what's going on? Nah, bro, you good?
Sickness. Fever has returned.
This is the worst time for you to have a fever
No.
right now, dog.
It hasn't.
Roy,
The coughing, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No!
Bro.
steady.
I'll be alright.
This is the worst time for you to have a fever, dog.
I'm fine, see?
Bro, you don't look fine, brother.
We should keep an eye on him.
Okay. I got a rock now. What's over here, actually? Oh, we don't have the magic, do we?
We'll need something to get through this one.
No, we don't have the magic shits yet. Okay, whatever. Let's go get this. You coughing all over the place and shit?
Enough.
Should do. With that, we can cut
enough with all that
travel on
coughing,
to
bruh.
Jotunheim. Get you where you need to go.
Enough with all that
Incidentally,
coughing.
all those magically sealed doors we've seen can now be unlocked. Like that one round the corner. You can get through that door there now that you got the chisel.
Oh, really? Am I using it wrong? Oh. Oh, we gotta find the right places. Interesting.
You killed Magni.
That he
Okay.
did.
He was a god. But you killed him.
Minor Aesir, perhaps. But I.
And his father's
Alright.
Thor.
Not minor. Not minor at all, him. This will not go over well in Asgard.
I defended us. Nothing more. I fear no judgment.
Judgment, no. But if vengeance is any concern,
Since when can you kill a god?
Bro, get back then! Get back! Alright. I do think this is where we're going to stop it because we just completed that mission. So, I'm going to stop it here. You know, probably record another video. And I'm going to see you guys back in the next episode. Peace.